Hi, today we are discussing T0, T1, T2 and T3 are hereditary properties. So first we prove T0 space is a hereditary property. That is, any subspace of a T0 space X tau is a T0 space. So first let X tau be a T0 space and let Y tau star be a subspace of X tau. We want to prove that Y tau star is a T0 space. In a topology, we know that in a topological space X tau, let xy belongs to x and y are two distinct points. Then there exists an open set U in X such that X belongs to U and Y does not belongs to U. Such a topological space is known as T0 space. Here tau star equal to U intersection Y such that U belongs to tau. U is an open set in topological space X tau and Y subset are equal to X. And let two distinct points y1 and y2 in Y as Y subset are equal to X, so y1 not equal to y2 in X, because Y subset are equal to X. And X to be a T0 space, then there exists an open set U in X such that y1 belongs to U and y2 does not belongs to U, because X is a T0 space. Here U intersection Y belongs to tau star and y1 belongs to U, y1 belongs to Y, so y1 belongs to U intersection Y and y2 does not belongs to U intersection Y, because y2 does not belongs to U, so it does not belongs to their intersection U and Y. So this show that Y tau star is a T0 space. Y tau star is a subspace of X tau. That is, any subspace of a T0 space X tau is a T0 space. So T0 space is a hereditary property, hence the proof. Next we prove T1 space is hereditary property. So let X tau be a T1 space and let Y tau star be a subspace of X tau. Then Y subset are equal to X and tau star equal to U intersection Y such that U belongs to tau. U is an open set in X. Let the two distinct points y1 and y2 in Y and which also belongs to X, because Y subset are equal to X. That is, y1 not equal to y2 belongs to X. We have X is a T1 space, so there exists two open set U, V such that y1 belongs to U but y2 does not belongs to U, and y2 belongs to V but y1 does not belongs to V. So y1 belongs to U intersection Y and y2 does not belongs to U intersection Y, and similarly y2 belongs to V intersection Y and y1 does not belongs to V intersection Y. Here y1 belongs to U intersection Y and y2 belongs to V intersection Y. So U and V belongs to tau. U intersection Y and V intersection Y belongs to tau star. So we get Y tau star is a T1 space. Y tau star is a subspace of topological space X tau. X tau is a T1 space and the subspace X tau star is also a T1 space. That is, any subspace of T1 space is a T1 space. That is, T1 space is a hereditary property. Next, we prove T2 space is a hereditary property. Let X star be a T2 space and let Y tau star be a subspace of X star. Then Y sub star equal to X and tau star equal to U intersection Y such that U belongs to tau. And let two distinct points Y1 and Y2 in Y and which also belongs to X because Y sub star equal to X. Then Y1 and Y2 is contained in X. We know that X is a T2 space. So there exist two open sets U and V such that Y1 belongs to U and Y2 belongs to V and their intersection is empty. That is U intersection V equal to empty because X is a T2 space. And here U intersection Y and V intersection Y is belongs to tau star such that Y1 belongs to U intersection Y and Y2 belongs to V intersection Y and their intersection U intersection Y intersection V intersection Y is empty. So it is satisfy the T2 space. They show that Y tau star is a T2 space. This is a subspace of X tau. X tau be a T2 space and their subspace X tau star is also a and their subspace Y tau star is also a T2 space. That is, any subspace of a T2 space X tau is a T2 space. So T2 space is a hereditary property. Next, we prove T3 space is a hereditary property. Let X tau be a T2 space and let Y tau star be a subspace of X tau. Then we know that every regular T1 space is said to be T3 space. So the T3 space X tau is a regular space and their subspace Y tau star is also regular space. And also X tau is a T1 space, hence their subspace Y tau star is a T1 space. We prove that T1 space is a hereditary property and we have a proposition that is regularity is a hereditary property. Here X tau is a regular space, so it has a hereditary property, hence we get T3 space is hereditary, that is Y tau star is a T3 space. Here we let X tau be a T3 space and we get their subspace X tau, their subspace Y tau star is a T3 space. Therefore T3 space is a hereditary property.